Hi everyone, welcome back to part 3 of my Metta Studios design team project. In part 1, I showed you the book that Christy Biddleston and Metta Studios sent to me and said, got it, make an art journal, make a glue book, make whatever you want to out of it. So I took the cover from the book and I took a wooden box and I covered the box lid with the cover. I used the book pages to decoupage onto the box and used washi tape and some pictures that I have from other Oriental projects I've worked on. And then I decided to decorate the inside, which I put papers and some Oriental pictures. So here is part 3. Part 1 was the book, part 2 was the box, part 3 was I made a little journal to fit down inside of the box using the book pages again that Christy sent, and I just put a little ribbon tie on here, and excuse me, I did use sorry here. I couldn't find my Oriental fabric, so, and I wanted to finish it, so I just put sorry on it. But it's just a simple little journal, and it is, you know, decorated with things out of the book that she has sent me. And I don't know if I'm holding it upside down or not because I can't read Japanese. And I did put some music paper in here, I think. Yeah, I did put a piece of music paper. And I just tied it in with elastic so that, you know, it could be switched out pretty easy. But I'm happy with it. I like it a lot. And actually, I think, yes, I did. I used the pages from her book, some pages from another book I had, and a Japanese dictionary book pages. So it has 2 signatures in it, actually, and a lot of pages. So there's a lot of space in here, which, you know, it could be a secret journal, it could be a secret diary, it could be a lot of things, actually. It's great for travel size if you just wanted to turn it into writing down where you go. The pages are actually big enough to put little 4x6 pictures on of your trip, or, you know, if you wanted to turn it into a creative journal with 4x6 pictures on it. So yeah, I'm happy with the way it came out. I like it. It's fun, it's quirky, and it's every piece Oriental except the sari. And if I find my Oriental fabric, I will cut a strip and put on here. So this is the end of the project for April. And I hope you enjoyed the videos. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.